Hi, how are you? My name is Kim, I'm the international promoter of Rubi, and today I'm going to talk about the Rubi Delta Level System. The main function of the Delta Level System is to obtain a completely flat surface and to avoid leakage during the installation. With the Delta, there are 4 different strips depending on the joint that you want to obtain. You have it in gray, that is 1 millimeter, white, it's 1.5 millimeters, black, 2 millimeters, and red, 3 millimeters. The Delta is recommended for formats of 30 by 30 or bigger, and it's always recommended with double gluing. The new plier is very easy to use. You can adjust it just with one hand depending on the thickness of the tile. Just with one hand you can push here like this or pull like this. Now I'm going to show you how easy and intuitive it is to use the Delta. When you're going to put the strips, you have to put one 5 centimeters from the corner, then one every 30 centimeters, and in large format tiles you have to put one every 50 centimeters. With the Delta, the strips always break in the right place. When you're going to remove the strips, you have to do it always in the same direction of the joint, and you can do it with a rubber hammer or with your foot. When you use a Delta, you have to use spacers as well. One thing is to separate, and the other thing is to level. Another thing that is very important to know is that the wedges, you can use it several times. Well, I hope you have enjoyed the video. If you have any doubts, you can contact us in our social media or in our web. Bye!